Hey everyone, LG's UltraGear OLED GX9S series continues to redefine the premium gaming monitor experience with the addition of the 45 GX90SA and 39 GX90SA models. These monitors are more than just display panels. They represent a fusion of high-performance gaming features and smart entertainment, targeting users who demand excellence in both competitive gameplay and content consumption. The 45 GX90SA boasts a massive 45-inch OLED panel, while the 39 GX90SA offers a slightly more compact 39-inch option. Both screens maintain the 800R curvature and ultra-wide 21:9 aspect ratio, a combination that envelops the user's peripheral vision and enhances immersion, particularly in racing, simulation, and first-person games. The WQHD resolution of 3440 by 1440 provides a sharp and spacious viewing area, well-suited for multitasking and cinematic gaming experiences alike. Speed and fluidity are front and center in the GX9S lineup. These OLED monitors deliver a staggering 240 Hz refresh rate paired with an incredibly fast 0.03 milliseconds GTG response time, making them ideal for twitch-sensitive titles where every frame counts. The inclusion of both NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium ensures buttery smooth visuals and eliminates screen tearing, regardless of the user's GPU preference. In terms of display quality, the GX9S monitors excel with VESA Display HDR True Black 400 certification. They feature an average SDR brightness of 275 nits, complemented by a peak HDR brightness of up to 1,300 nits, ample luminance to make highlights pop without sacrificing OLED's hallmark deep blacks. Color accuracy is another highlight, with 98.5% coverage of the DCI-P3 color space, making these monitors suitable for creative work as well as gaming. One of the defining features of this series is the integration of WebOS 24. Unlike most gaming monitors, the GX9S models come with smart TV functionality built in. Users can stream directly from Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and more, all without needing a connected computer or console. Additionally, LG Channels offers over 350 free streaming options, and support for cloud gaming platforms like Amazon Luna and NVIDIA GeForce Now means games can be streamed instantly, turning the monitor into a self-contained gaming hub. Connectivity is robust and forward-looking. Each monitor is equipped with HDMI 2.1 ports, DisplayPort 1.4, and USB-C, offering flexibility for everything from high-bandwidth console gaming to streamlined laptop docking. The GX9S line currently includes 3 models in the US. The flagship 45 GX90SA, priced at $1,690, the mid-size 39 GX90SA at $1,590, and the previously released 34 GX90SA at $1,390. With the UltraGear OLED GX9S monitors, LG has crafted a solution that sits at the intersection of elite gaming performance and modern media consumption. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a media enthusiast, or someone who simply wants a cutting-edge desktop display, the GX9S series brings versatility, power, and visual brilliance together in a sleek and functional package. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.